In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Music to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Apple Music linked inside ChatGPT, so you can search music and use Apple Music features right from your chat. Start inside ChatGPT. Look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile. That opens a small menu. From there, select Settings. In the Settings panel, find the section labeled Apps. Click into Apps, then choose Explore Apps. This opens the App Discovery page, where you can search and connect services to enhance what ChatGPT can do for you. At the top, you'll see a search field. Type Apple Music, then select the Apple Music app from the results. On the app page, click Connect. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to connect, with an account or without an account. Pick the option that suits your needs. Connecting with an account lets ChatGPT use your Apple Music profile so it can personalize actions tied to your library and subscriptions. If you prefer not to link an account, you can continue without one, which typically allows basic browsing and linking to music, without touching your personal library. If you choose to connect with an account, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to sign in on Apple's secure page and review permissions. Take a moment to read what access is being requested. When you're comfortable, confirm to complete the connection. If you opt to connect without an account, the setup is even quicker. Just confirm and move on. After connecting, you should see a confirmation right on the Apple Music app card, often indicating that it's connected and ready to use. From there, return to your chat and try a simple request, like asking for a specific track or exploring a playlist theme. If the app is connected, ChatGPT will route the request through Apple Music and provide the appropriate links or actions. A couple of quick tips in case you run into anything. If you don't see apps or explore apps in settings, make sure you're on the latest ChatGPT version and check whether your workspace admin has restricted app access. If Apple Music doesn't appear in search, it may be a regional availability issue. Try again later. And if a connection attempt fails, a quick retry usually does the trick. That's all there is to it. Open your profile, go to Settings, head to Apps, Explore, search Apple Music, connect, and choose with or without an account. You're done. Enjoy using Apple Music right inside ChatGPT.